You ever try to load a video and it just spins like it's contemplating life? Yeah, we've all been there. Enter 5G at the tech that promised to save us from buffering purgatory and give us the internet speeds of the future. But wait, what even is 5G? Is it just faster internet? Is it some secret government conspiracy? Is it gonna fry our brains? Relax, this isn't a sci-fi movie yet. Welcome to Think Bits, where we explain stuff you pretend to understand in meetings. All right, so 5G literally stands for fifth generation. Yep, that's it. It's the fifth generation of wireless technology. It's not super mysterious. But every time there's a new GI, the world collectively loses its mind, like we just unlocked cheat codes for real life. Remember when 3G felt fast? Now it's basically a potato with a SIM card, then came for GIU, Instagram loads, Netflix doesn't cry, life is good. But of course, humans are never satisfied. No. So here comes 5G, swaggering in like it owns the place. So what makes 5G different? Is it just 4G, but with a cool haircut? Actually, it's a whole new level of speed and connectivity. We're talking download speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G. Imagine downloading an entire movie in like the time it takes to sneeze. And that's not even the coolest part. 5G also has something called low latency, which basically means stuff happens in real time. Like, blink and it's done kind of fast. This is huge for things like gaming, video calls, and making sure your smart fridge doesn't have an existential crisis while ordering more oat milk. Now here's where it gets a little spicy. 5G isn't just about your phone loading TikToks faster. It's a whole infrastructure thing. It can power smart cities, autonomous cars, remote surgery, robots that deliver burritos basically. The Jetsons were just ahead of their time. Think of 5G as the digital nervous system of the future. It's not just for streaming cat videos, although. Yes, that will improve too. But let's get one thing straight. 5G didn't just show up like surprise. I'm here to solve all your problems. It uses a different type of radio wave system. Mainly, it runs on something called millimeter waves. It's a fancy name, but here's the catch. These waves are fast, but they're kind of lazy. They don't travel very far. And a tree, a wall, or even bad vibes can block the signal. That's why your neighborhood might suddenly get a bunch of small cell towers popping up everywhere, like mushrooms after rain. More towers equals more coverage equals fewer dropped calls while you're trying to order pizza at 2 a.m. Now, because this is the internet and the internet loves drama, let's address the conspiracy stuff. No, 5G is not controlling your brain. No, it's not turning birds into government drones. And no, it did not invent COVID. It's just a faster way to get memes, okay? Let's talk about who's actually using 5G right now. Spoiler, probably not you. I mean, maybe your phone says 5G in the corner. But if your speeds feel the same, it's because carriers have been using 5G as a marketing term before the real deal networks are fully built out. It's like putting a Ferrari badge on a lawnmower. Technically, it's still a vehicle, sort of. There are actually 3 types of 5G: low band, mid band, and high band. Sounds like a bad music trio, but here's the breakdown. Low band is like chill. 5G IT covers a big area, but isn't that fast. Mid band is the sweet spot, pretty fast and decent coverage. High band, that's the beast, super fast, but good luck finding it unless you're standing directly under a tower and holding your phone up like Simba. So what's all this mean for you? Right now, maybe not much, but in a few years, it's gonna be everywhere. Your phone, your car, your toaster all talking to each other faster than you can say data breach. Seriously though, 5G will power stuff like self-driving cars that can communicate with traffic lights. Surgeons doing operations from the other side of the planet. And yeah, maybe your fridge judging your snack choices in real time. Of course, with great power comes great monthly data charges. So don't be surprised if your phone bill starts acting like it's part of your rent. But hey, at least your memes will load in 0.000 seconds, right? And for businesses, 5G's like that turbo boost button they didn't know they needed. Logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, farming years, even cows are getting connected. Welcome to the future, where cows have better internet than your grandma. So to wrap this up, 5G is basically wireless internet on a massive dose of caffeine. It's fast, powerful, kind of a diva when it comes to obstacles. And it's laying the foundation for stuff we only saw in sci-fi. You might not be fully riding the 5G wave yet, but trust me, it's coming. When it does, just remember, you heard it here on ThinkBits, where we explain tech like it's a conversation, not a lecture from a robot. Smash that like button if you still don't fully get how Wi-Fi works, but are now weirdly excited about 5G. Subscribe for more bits of brain power you can casually drop into conversations to sound smart. Until next time, stay curious, stay chill, and don't worry, your smart fridge probably isn't spying on you. Probably.